Today, we're at Williford Springs in Washington County, Florida. I'm Kyla Clifton for 2Egg TV. It's freezing. Took my breath away whenever I first got in. They're a lot braver than me, especially the kids. They're dunking under the water. They're looking at the cave underneath the springs. They have their goggles on. They're prepared for today. I would definitely rank this a 10 out of 10. I see tons of kids, tons of families. I think I've seen a baby, and this just looks like a fantastic place to bring your families. A great place for kids to make friends. I would definitely bring your family here. It was fairly easy getting in and out of. The entrances are a little crowded, but the stairwells, they have multiple stairs to get in and out of the springs. The area itself looks pretty clear in terms of wildlife, especially since there's a lot of people here that would probably scare off a bunch of, gators and snakes. So if that's a concern, I would definitely come here. It seems pretty safe. Getting here was pretty easy. The road leading up to here was very bumpy, so please be prepared for that. For more information, visit us at 2eggtv.com. We're at Williford Springs in Washington County, Florida. I'm Kyla Clifton for 2Egg TV.